So this is a normal maintenance job. We do a detailed inspection on every single level crossing in the Auckland metro area every 3 months. That's part of our codes and standards. Maintenance-wise, we will work on either side of the level crossing every 6 months, and the level crossing underneath, normally that's every 2 to 3 years.
This particular site, we're taking out the rails. The rail sits at a certain height, but then everywhere else around it, it's loose. So the track is just pumping as trains are going through. So the tamper will go through every 4 to 6 sleepers, digging a few spikes around the sleepers and lift the track. And then he'll move to the next 6, then the next 6. He has a start point and an end point, and he wants to go through and lift every inch of that start point and end point to get the required track standard height.